Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. There's nothing worse than finally getting to the beach and having so much work to set up some cover. Thanks to this awesome beach wind flag, you don't need anything except what I'm holding right here in my hands from Solbello. This beach umbrella takes your beach experience to a whole nother level. For one thing, everything comes in this super easy to carry pouch, and it is not heavy at all. You also don't need to worry about having time-consuming setup. Literally, all you have to do is put this into the ground, it stays put, and then you attach your beach umbrella. It's a huge, really well-made quality umbrella that provides cover, and it totally relies on the wind. So the wind is going to keep that up and protect you. All you have to do when you're ready, if the sun is moving, is move your chair and you're good to go. This umbrella is so easy to work with that I would do it alone at the beach if I was there, and I would have no problem being able to put it back in the bag and bring it right back home. Everything on it is made of nice quality materials. You can see how easily that it goes into the sand, and honestly, it just makes the beach experience super fun and enjoyable, knowing that you can take some time out of the sun when you need it. If you're looking for a really well-made, good quality product that doesn't take a ton of time to set up and is super easy to work with, then you definitely need to check this out. And that's my point of view.